From rosemary jasmine rice with green split peas in my mom's way, a different recipe, healthy and amazing. These peas, dried and peeled, don't have to be soaked and should be cooked before eating. To cook split peas, here add them 1 cup, cover with enough water, bring to a boil over a high heat, then turn down to a simmer and cook until the peas are fork tender, about 15 minutes but not mushy. Drain and set aside. Now in a pot, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, then add the diced carrots. If you don't have it on hand, you can skip it. Saute until they soften and start to color about 5 minutes. Add our cooked peas, reserving some of the peas. These are for garnish later. Now for spices, I'm gonna add black pepper and 7 spices. I'm adding 3 cups of meat stock. That is perfect ratio as well. 2 cups rice, 3 cups meat stock, and bring it to a boil. I add the salt, make sure to adjust. Once I see the meat stock boiling, now adding the rice, 2 cups. I'm using Egyptian rice, soaked and washed well. Give everything a mix. Now turn the heat down to low so that the pot is at a simmer. Cover and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. Once I see the rice absorbs all the meat stock, turn off and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Before we serve it, we usually enjoy this dish with yogurt. In it, I'm adding some salt, black pepper. I like to flavor it with some dried mint, garlic, and a little of olive oil. It's ready as well. Here it is. Top it with the remaining peas and frying pine almonds, and bon appetit. If you try this amazing split peas, let us know in the comments. I'm sure you will like it. Please do subscribe to our channel and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.